Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very amazing tool which you can use to basically stream your smartphone screen onto your laptop. Okay, and the good thing about this tool is that this is a very lightweight object which is running on directly on your PC, and there will be nothing running on your smartphone. So all the load will be on your PC or on your laptop and not on your smartphone, and you can run this with older laptop hardwares as well, like mine. So here I'm using my Asus FX503, which is a laptop from 2017, I guess. Yes, it was launched in 2017, and now I'll actually purchase it in 2018. So yeah, let me show you how you can use this. So basically you can find this, the name is scrcpy. You can just go to like Google and search for it. You'll get it in the GitHub links over there, but I will suggest you to go and download this from the description of my video. Why? Because see, if you download it like that, then you'll get this package. Okay, and some things are missing right now over here. So what I have basically done is I have added the ADB devices as well over here and compiled everything together. So if you want to see my package, it will look like this. Where it is? Yeah, this one. You can see the difference between these two, whereas both of them are the same thing. I've just added some ADB and some things. Okay, so anyways, no credit goes to me for this, because yeah, this is not developed by me actually. I have just added some other code so that basically we can run it as a single package. Okay, so all due credit goes to the GitHub developers who have developed it and posted it there on GitHub channel. So I'll leave the credits also in the description of the video. You can go and check them out. So once you get this open, you can see you have an option to open a terminal here .batch file. Okay, so to just double click over here, and see here I have opened this. Now coming to my smartphone over here, this is the Realme GT2 Pro, and I'm going to show you on this how to enable first developer options, and then you can simply stream. Okay, and here basically I'm going to show you how to stream using basically the wire, because that's a better way to stream, but you can also use basically what to say wireless streaming as well. Okay, so I think I have developer options enabled, but still I'm showing you. So here you can see I have here about device. I'll go over here, and then under version you can see baseband version. I'll just click it 5 times. Okay, sorry, version number. You can see I'm getting here no need, you are already a developer, because I have done it already. So I'm going to show you developer options over here, and just search for it. It's way easier. Yeah, developer options, and you have to just enable this developer options, and then go down and see USB debugging is enabled. Okay, enable this USB debugging as well. Okay, like this. Okay, and coming back to my desktop, you can see all the commands over here. scrcpy, just write, and dash help. So now here, okay, I think I am missing something. It should be double dash, maybe. Yeah, double dash help. Yes. So now here you can see all the commands. You can go through them as well if you want to do like more customizations over here, but I am going to show you the best way. Okay, but if you really want more customizations, you can just look over here. You can see all the sorts of command that this tool is supporting is listed here. Okay, so now since developer options is enabled, now I'm going to just connect my laptop to my smartphone. Okay, with a USB cable. So this is a USB A to C cable, and yeah, it is connected. Yeah, so here you can see I am getting this charging device. Okay, and USB debugging enabled. You can see over here at the top in system UI, and this I have to just click over here, tap for more options, and I'll change it to file transfer or Android Auto. Okay, so now this should be reflected over here. So here now I'm going to type ADB devices. So ADB devices, and by the way, if you do not want to type these codes, these are also mentioned in the description. You can just go there and copy paste over here. Okay, so see, here you can see a list of devices attached. This is my device ID. Okay, that means I am ready to go. So now I'll just run over here scrcpy and enter, and see, here you can see my smartphone over here. You can see everything is happening as it is. Okay, so this is one way first but here the issue is that you won't get your audio. Okay, this is only video. Okay, so now if I want audio as well, then I'll just first close this, because see, if you just go for audio, and now it's just closed. If you just go for audio, then there might be some lag that I faced, so I have a better code. Let me show you. Windows V, and here I have audio output buffer equals 10. Okay. So I'll just use this scrcpy space and paste this thing over here. So this is the code. scrcpy audio output buffer is, I am using 10. It is working for me. And if you still find basically the lagging in audio, or if it's like the audio is not good, basically it sometimes glitches or it has a robotic voice, then you can increase this buffer size. Okay, for now for me 10 is working fine, but then you can go to 100 as well, or 50. Okay, so keep increasing by 20 or 30 incrementally, and until you get the correct one. Okay, I don't think you should need anything greater than 100 or 200. So now once I press enter, now here I have this with audio. Okay, and now the other issue is now that I need to get this on OBS, right? Because like this, it is not of much use to me. So see, I have just opening a new window, because one window I am basically using to record this video. So yeah, launch anyway. You can just go into your OBS. Okay, and here I'll just go to this plus icon and window capture. Create new, and name something over here. Let's name this as scrcpy. Okay, and okay, and here you can see I have selected this screencopy.exe. Okay, and okay, now you can see I have this as well, and I can just remove this also, so that I can show you this. You can resize it also as per your needs. Okay, and now let me show you that audio is also working. Now right now you can see desktop audio is basically 0. So let me play something here. So let me start something. Let's say I'm studying Pokemon Unite, because I'm not trying to play a YouTube video, and see it is auto resizing as well. You can see. And I think there is some kind of glitch right now. So sometimes these things might happen. Okay, so if you're facing this, just okay, yeah, now it's working, because this was at this point, so it was some glitching. So make sure this is entirely visible. Okay, and now if I click on this, so here you can see desktop audio, right? You can hear the music now. I don't know if you can hear it over here, because this is the recording is going on a different channel. So here you can see the desktop audio part. Okay, so this is taking audio from this source. Okay. So now let me just close this. I didn't play a YouTube video because I don't want to get stuck with copyright issues. So again, you can see this part is not displaying because this again went down. So if I like this, and now if you want to enforce this into, let's say, landscape mode or portrait mode, those options are also there. You can just go here and you can just read about them. And for landscape and portrait and such simple stuffs, I will just list them down in the description of the video. You can go there and find them. Okay, so you can see how little it is using my CPU now. Let me show you that as well. So Control Shift Escape, and here is the processes. scrcpy, if I search, you can see this only 74 MB of RAM and 5 to 10% of CPU only. Okay, by the way, this is the Core i7 on my laptop, 7700HQ, so a very old CPU, but yeah, a beast. So 10-12% CPU and 70 to 80 MB of RAM only this entire app is using, which is very great for something which is able to stream directly. And now once you have this in your OBS, now I think you know what to do from here. You can record this stuff over here, start recording, or you can simply stream it. Okay, So I hope you found this video useful. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel for more such content, and do like this video so that it gets recommended to more people. So that was all from my side. Bye bye and take care.